Okay, we're working with Maya here, guys. So I've worked with Maya for about 3 weeks only, so this is our third session. She is a strong, athletic girl. However, today she's learning that a fully grown adult male is a lot stronger than the average fully grown adult woman. This doesn't mean she isn't strong. It doesn't mean that women aren't strong. She is strong. I'm just a lot stronger, and I need her to understand that trying to use brute force and strength against a fully grown adult male isn't going to work in most cases. So we're going to introduce you to some skills. Let's have a look what happens when Maya starts to attack my face. The main idea of this is to create space so she can escape. How can she achieve this? Well, she cannot use brute force and strength, but what she can do is start to override my senses. So she's attacking eyesight, sense of smell, and touch. So 3 senses, but with force. And this is causing my brain to retreat, essentially, which is forcing me to create the space that she needs to escape. Now, some of you are thinking, oh, but I'll just grab her hands, and all those keyboard warriors out there that just fucking constantly comment on everything, having no experience in anything ever. Yes, we're going to go through that problem now. So I've got hold of her hands, and she's now going to have to use the groin strikes and other types of strikes to create that space. Once she has the opportunity, though, she needs to get back to my head, because that's where the real work happens. When she gets her hands on my head, I am no longer in control of my cognition. I am in limbic mode, which means I'm going to try and retreat from this danger. She's attacking my senses. This is called a shred or a disruptor, as we call it in the RAID system. This is highly effective and can be done at variable degrees. This is passive. She's rubbing my face and she's putting some pressure towards my eye sockets. It's quite unpleasant, and this is the first time she's ever done it. You can do this a lot harder, a lot more aggressively, and it can be a lot more effective. Don't go out there, please, trying to gouge each other's eyeballs out. If you want to know more about this, then you need to reach out to myself or one of the RAID instructors, or Richie Dimitri, who is the founder of the Shred himself, and you can learn more about how this works. It is very, very effective, and there is a reason that you can't do this in the UFC, and it is considered illegal. Because it fucking works. So if you get a hand down, you grab and get hand up, elbow, and then you put it in the face. Good. Get to the head, get to the head.